Hello traders, in this video I'm going to cover the roadmap. And the roadmap is software that focuses on market manipulation. It's available now for a free trial at DayTradeToWin.com for TradingView and NinjaTrader. Right now you can see that we have the E-mini S&P up on our chart, and we can see the roadmap zones, these blue and red areas. The focus on the roadmap zones is whether or not the market will flip and reverse and counter trend off of these areas. This is important because we as traders need to know if there's going to be a reversal, and if you're trend trading, this is a great filter. So as the market comes down here, right as it opens, you can see that it lands in the first zone and gives you a signal to go long, goes a little bit further to the next zone, and then reverses. So this is an opportunity for us as traders to be very careful to the short side, seeing that we had a long signal and it did not go through the second zone, gave us this big wick and then reversed off of it. Now, as we start moving up, again, we have to be careful when the market lands in the zones, and then we have a short signal here. Now, this short signal here is created when it lands in the zone and does not go through it. So in these prior zones, the market went straight through it, so there's no situation that we need to be concerned with as a counter trend model. But this here gave us a signal to enter short and to be very careful to the long side. And what happened is the market landed in the zone, did not go through it, gave us a short signal, and then went sideways for a little bit, maybe about 20-30 minutes, and then finally it reversed. So this is a great situation here to be in as a trader, because once it goes through the zone and continues through it, we can say, well, now the trend is continuing. But since it didn't, this tells me that there is a reversal. And the same thing is true as the market comes down. It goes right through this zone, stops, gives us a long signal, and we see the market reverse. If you're short and you're considering entering short, thinking that this is a trend that is continuing to the downside, this will allow you to avoid those situations where the market just reverses on you. Again, it hit the zone, stopped, we have a few candles here, doesn't go through it, give us a signal, and then it reversed. And now here we are live, where the market is just staggering here and stuck here on the zone. We do have the roadmap available for free as a trial at DayTradeToWin.com. Visit DayTradeToWin, get your free trial, check out the roadmap on TradingView and NinjaTrader, see if it's the right software for you, and I'll see everyone in class. We include live training for all our members. Want to learn more? Visit DayTradeToWin.com and get started with a free member account, which includes access to our trials, including the ABC software. Start learning the right way by using price action and avoid using conventional indicators. We offer unique strategies and proprietary software, including the Sonic system. Join Accelerated Mentorship and get instant access to all our software. Join our family of traders and let's get you set up in the next training.